Let's talk about your neck and spine, those often overlooked parts of your body that play a crucial role in your overall well-being. It's the body's main support system, the very architecture that holds you upright. Your spine holds you up, providing the central axis around which your entire body functions. It lets you move with flexibility and grace, and perhaps most importantly, it protects vital nerves that connect your brain to the rest of your body. But the reality is that many of us spend hours hunched over screens, whether it's for work or leisure, or we find ourselves slouching on the sofa, relaxing in a way that isn't really relaxing our spines. And all of this can leave your neck and back feeling stiff, sore, and generally unhappy. When you slouch, your neck muscles are forced to work overtime, constantly straining to compensate for the unnatural position. This constant strain is to hold up your heavy head, which, believe it or not, weighs quite a bit. This can lead to tension headaches, tight shoulders, and a general feeling of discomfort. But the good news is that a healthy spine means better movement, allowing you to perform daily activities with ease and comfort. It also means more energy, as your body isn't constantly fighting against poor alignment. Ultimately, it leads to less pain and a greater sense of well-being. Just a few minutes of stretching each day can release built-up tension and gently realign your body, bringing it back into a state of balance. Today, we'll focus on rabbit pose, a simple yet effective yoga pose. It's a yoga move that gently stretches your entire spine, from the base of your neck to your tailbone. And it's particularly good at easing neck tension, which is something many of us struggle with. It's like a reset button for your back, a way to undo some of the damage caused by poor posture and daily stress. Ultimately, it's about helping you feel relaxed, refreshed, and more connected to your body. So, are you ready to give your spine some well-deserved TLC and experience the benefits of rabbit pose? Let's get started. So what is rabbit pose? Imagine curling up like a rabbit, kneeling, head down, spine rounded. This forward bend decompresses your spine, creating space between each vertebra. By placing the crown of your head on the mat, gravity helps lengthen your neck and upper back, melting away tension. It's a deep stretch for your whole back, counteracting hours of sitting. Rabbit pose also calms your mind, soothes your nervous system, and can even help you sleep better. With regular practice, you'll notice more flexibility and freedom of movement. A flexible spine means less risk of injury and better posture. This simple pose is a powerful tool for lifelong spinal health. Let's learn how to do it safely. Ready to try rabbit pose, also known as Sasangasana? This pose offers a wonderful stretch for your spine and can be a calming, grounding experience. Start by kneeling comfortably on a mat. Ensure your knees are directly under your hips, providing a stable base for the pose. Gently sit back on your heels. If this is uncomfortable, you can place a folded blanket between your calves and hamstrings for added support. Now take a deep, calming breath, inhaling fully and exhaling slowly. This will help you relax and prepare your body for the stretch. As you exhale, reach back with both hands and firmly grab your heels. Make sure you have a good grip to maintain stability throughout the pose. Before proceeding, gently tuck your chin to your chest. This is crucial for protecting your cervical spine and preventing any neck strain. Slowly and carefully lower the crown of your head down to the mat, being mindful of your neck. Ensure your head is positioned just in front of your knees, creating a stable tripod with your head and knees. Maintain a gentle but firm grip on your heels throughout the pose. This grip helps to support the spinal extension. Now gently begin to lift your hips upward, moving them towards the ceiling. Engage your core muscles to support this movement. As you lift, your arms will naturally straighten, increasing the stretch in your spine. You'll begin to feel a wonderful stretch along your entire spine and the back of your neck. This is where the magic happens. Remember, don't force the stretch. Only lift your hips as high as feels comfortable and sustainable for your body. Hold the pose, maintaining a steady and deep breathing pattern. Focus on inhaling and exhaling fully to deepen the stretch. With each breath, visualize your back gently opening up, releasing tension and promoting flexibility. If you find it challenging to reach your heels comfortably, don't worry, there are modifications you can use. You can grab your ankles instead, or even use a yoga strap looped around your feet to shorten the distance. The most important thing is to focus on a gentle, lengthening stretch, avoiding any sharp or intense pain. Listen to your body and respect its limits. Breathing is a vital component of any yoga practice, and rabbit pose is no exception. Breathe deeply in rabbit pose, allowing each inhalation and exhalation to guide you deeper into the stretch. Focus on the rhythm of your breath. As you settle into the pose, inhale deeply to expand your back, creating space between each vertebra. Feel the gentle stretch along your spine as your lungs fill with air. This expansion not only deepens the pose, but also promotes better circulation and energy flow. With each exhale, consciously release any tension you might be holding in your shoulders, neck, or lower back. Exhale to release tension. Let gravity assist you in softening into the pose, allowing your body to relax and open up. To ensure proper alignment and prevent strain, keep most of your weight on your shins, distributing it evenly across your knees and ankles. It's crucial to protect your neck in this pose. Therefore, keep most of your weight on your shins, not your head, to protect your neck. Engage your core muscles to support your spine and prevent excessive pressure on your cervical vertebrae. Your safety is paramount. If you feel any pain, especially in your neck or back, ease out of the pose right away. There's no need to push yourself beyond your limits. If you find that your head doesn't comfortably reach the floor, or if you experience any discomfort in your neck, use a folded blanket under your head for extra comfort if needed. This will help to maintain proper alignment and prevent strain. As you hold onto your heels, keep your grip firm but relaxed, avoiding any unnecessary tension in your hands or wrists. To prevent shoulder strain, consciously let your shoulders stay away from your ears, creating space between your neck and shoulders. This will help to release tension and promote a sense of openness in your upper body. When you're ready to come out of the pose, do so with care and control. Lower your hips slowly towards your heels, release your heels, and slowly sit up, one vertebra at a time, letting your head rise last to avoid any sudden movements or dizziness. Take a moment to pause and notice the lightness and release in your spine. Observe how the pose has affected your body and mind. It's important to be mindful of any pre-existing conditions. If you have neck or spine injuries, or any other health concerns, it's always best to check with your doctor or a qualified healthcare professional before trying this pose. They can provide personalized guidance based on your individual needs and limitations. Ultimately, the most important thing is to honor your body's wisdom. Always listen to your body and respect its boundaries. For beginners, practice rabbit pose 2 to 3 times a week. Hold for 3 to 5 deep breaths, about 20 to 30 seconds. As you get comfortable, work up to a minute. Consistency matters more than duration. At first, you might feel wobbly or the stretch may feel intense. Totally normal. Focus on form, crown of the head on the mat, chin tucked, and weight off your neck. If you can't reach your heels, use a strap or hold your ankles. Over time, you'll notice better posture, more flexibility, and less neck and back tension. Rabbit pose is a simple way to reset, de-stress, and care for your spine. Give it a try and feel the difference.